Now we will talk about the Cucumber feature. A feature can be defined as a standalone unit or functionality of a project. Let's take a very common example of a social network site. How does the feature of this product or project look like? Few basic features can be determined as create and remove the user from the social networking site, user login functionality for the social networking site, sharing photos or videos on the social networking site, sending a friend request and logout. By now it's clear that each independent functionality of the product under test can be termed as a feature. When we talk about Cucumber, it's a best practice later when you start testing that before deriving the test scripts, we should determine the feature to be tested. A feature usually contains a list of scenarios to be tested for that feature. A file in which we store features description about the feature and scenarios to be tested is known as feature file. We will see more about this feature file in the following parts. The keyword to represent a feature under test in Gherkin is feature. The suggested best practice is to write a small description of the feature beneath the feature title in the feature file. This will fulfill the need of a good documentation as well. A simple feature file consists of the following keywords or parts. Feature, the keyword feature, name of the feature under test, a description, this part is optional, it describes how feature under test. Scenario, it's what is the test scenario, given the prerequisites before the test steps get executed. When, it's a specific condition which should match in order to execute the next step. Then, what should happen if the condition mentioned is when is satisfied. For example, we have a feature called person service. The scenario is to test the creation, to create a new person. Given the database contains n persons. I create a new person, I get the ID of the created person, and the database contains more than n persons. So this is our feature. And now we'll see the step definitions. The Java part, for example. We have given the database contains n persons, like we see in the feature file. And here we have our method. Public void, the database contains n persons, throwable. We have given person size, it's person repository to test.count, and then we assert that the given person size is positive. Okay, so as we said in the given, the database contains n persons. Then when I create a new person, we have the same, we have its method. Public void, I create a new person. We have person model, person equals new person model. When person ID, person repository to test dot create person. Okay? And then I get the ID of the created person and the database contains more than n persons. Public void, I get the ID of the created person. Assert that when person ID is not null, this the one we used, we affected a value by creating or by calling the create method from the person repository to test, and then we will count the person long then person count, it's equal person repository to test dot count, and then we need to assert the second part is that the database contains more than n persons. Assert that then person count is greater than given person size. The given person size is the variable initialized in the given part. So this is how we write feature files and step definitions.